Hello students, yesterday we have started the lesson synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. Some part we have started, now remaining part from here we are going to start begins with over the next few days. From here we are going to start now today. Before going to discuss the things, I know that you have written the exercise whatever I have given yesterday. You have solved it promptly as usual, and now we are going to start from over the next few days. Over the next few days, William's father attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. Here the word kegs means what? Barrels, that is given here. Over the next few days, after some days, William means father, he had done for making a ship, he had attached the floatable old floatable old barrels to one another, and by with the help of kegs he had built a bow that curved around them. He had also built a bow for that curved around them. त्यांनी त्या विल्यमनी काही तरंगणारे जे बॅरल्स होते ते बॅरल्सचा वापर केला आणि त्यापासून त्यांनी बोट तयार करायचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. अँड बिल्ट अ बो दॅट कर्व्ड अराउंड देम. द फॅमिली हॅड लँडेड सक्सेसफुली ऑन द आयलँड अँड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फ्लोटेबल ओल्ड केग्स वॉट एवर ही हॅड बिल्ट, विल्यम हॅड बिल्ट with the help of these old kegs, the family had landed successfully on the island. Now with the help of these kegs, these barrels, the family landed successfully towards the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass they cut and spread to serve as their beds. After when they reached the island, they had set up a tent there. जेव्हा ते त्या आयलँडवरती पोचले तेव्हा त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी एक टेंट सेटअप केलं, एक तंबू उभारला. अँड सॉफ्टन द फ्लोअर विथ आर्म लोड्स ऑफ ग्रास दे कट. त्यानंतर त्यांनी आपल्या दोन्ही हातामध्ये मावेल तेवढं ते ग्रास घेतलं आणि त्या ठिकाणी ते फ्लोअर अंथरला, ते ग्रास अंथरलेलं आहे. अँड स्प्रेड टू सर्व ॲज देअर बेड्स, आणि बेड म्हणून त्याचा वापर केला त्या ग्रासचा. बघा, when they reach the island, they set up a tent, they have taken grass as their beds. Also they came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like gods on its trunk. Let's see, they came to a grove of trees. आफ्टर दॅट दे टर्न टुवर्ड्स द ग्रो ऑफ ट्रीज. त्यानंतर त्यांना एक जंगल दिसलं. इट वॉज अ ग्रो ऑफ ट्रीज. वन ट्री ग्रीव वॉट लुक लाईक गॉड्स. तुम्हाला गॉड्स म्हणजे माहीत असेल भोपळा. एक जे झाड होतं, एक ट्री जे होतं, इट वॉज लुक लाईक गॉड्स, इट वॉज लुकिंग लाईक अ गॉड्स ऑन इट्स ट्रंक. एक ट्री जे होतं त्या ट्रंकच्या बाजूला किंवा ट्रंकला ते अगदी भोपळ्यासारखं दिसत होतं. नाव द फादर टोल्ड फ्रीज आफ्टर सीइंग द ट्री, सच ट्री विच वॉज लुकिंग लाईक अ गॉड्स टू इट्स ट्रंक. द फादर टोल्ड फ्रीज दॅट द गॉड्स वुड मेक excellent bowls and spoons. Now the father William, he had told the freeze that with the help of gods we can make excellent bowls as well as spoons, and they can cut into various utensils also. बघा, त्यानंतर त्या वडिलांनी त्या फ्रीजला सांगितलं की याच गॉड्सच्या मदतीनं आपण वेरियस बाउल्स, अनेक बाउल्स आपण तयार करू शकतो, स्पून्स तयार करू शकतो, ॲज वेल ॲज वी कॅन कट दॅम इन टू वेरियस युटेन्सिल्स. त्याची अनेक भांडीसुद्धा आपण बनवू शकतो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ गॉड्स. नाव आफ्टर सम डेज Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. But after some days, Elizabeth, who was wife to William, She informed William, she informed her husband that she wanted the family to move to a safe place, to a safer place. आपल्या फॅमिलीला आपल्याला सुरक्षित ठिकाणी घेऊन जायचं आहे असं त्या एलिझाबेथनं विल्यमना सांगितलं. काहीही करून आपण सेफ प्लेसला गेलो पाहिजे, सुरक्षित ठिकाणी गेलो पाहिजे. सो देअर करंट कॅम्प वॉज नॉट ओनली एक्सपोज्ड बट ऑल्सो व्हेरी ड्राय अँड हॉट. देअर करंट कॅम्प वॉज actually they have when they reach the island they have set up the tent and they lived there, but their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. Their current camp was very dry as well as hot one. If they built a house up in one of the large trees they would be safe from jackals. They thought that if they built a house where up in one of the large trees, various trees were there as it was the grow up trees, तर त्या ठिकाणी जंगल मोठं होतं, अनेक ट्रीजसुद्धा होते. and they thought that now if they built a house in one of these large trees they would be safe from wild animals, they would be safe from jackals. त्यांनी विचार केला की जर आपण इथं झाडांच्या वरती जर आपण एखादं घर बांधलं तर नक्कीच आपण या वाईल्ड ॲनिमल्सपासून, या जंगली प्राण्यांपासून किंवा जॅकल्सपासून आपली सुटका होईल, आपण आपला बचाव करू शकतो. वी विल बी सेफ फ्रॉम ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ऑल दीज वाईल्ड ॲनिमल्स. नाव शी डिस्क्राईब अ परफेक्ट ट्री फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. व्हॉट वॉज द प्रोजेक्ट? द प्रोजेक्ट वॉज मेकिंग द हाऊस अप इन वन ऑफ द लार्ज ट्रीज. दॅट वॉज द मेन purpose, that was the main project. And she described, she means who here? Elizabeth described a perfect tree for the same project, for making the house, one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. Now Elizabeth had chosen a tree which was a perfect one and its trunk was nearly about 40 feet in diameter. त्याचा ट्रंक जो होता त्या ट्रीचा तो जवळपास त्याचा डायमीटर किती होता? 40 feet. अँड सच टाईप ऑफ ट्री ही हॅज चूजन फॉर सच अ प्रोजेक्ट. आणि या प्रोजेक्टसाठी अशा प्रकारचं ट्री जे आहे ते या एलिझाबेथनं निवडलेलं आहे. नाव द ब्रांचेस वेअर व्हेरी लाँग अँड एक्सटेंडेड स्ट्रेट आउट फ्रॉम द ट्रंक. द ट्री हॅज व्हेरियस ब्रांचेस अँड दे वेर व्हेरी लाँग ब्रांचेस it has and extended straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platforms for a structure. Why it was the perfect platforms for a structure, for making the house suitable for them? Because as already she described that it was the perfect tree and its trunk was nearly about 40 feet in diameter, as well as the branches were very long and they were extended straight from the trunk, and it was the perfect tree for making such a house. आणि त्यामुळं हे जे ट्री होतं ते परफेक्ट ट्री होतं हे अशा प्रकारचं घर बनवण्यासाठी. लॅटर व्हॉट हॅपन वेन डिटरमाइनिंग द हाईट ऑफ द लोवेस्ट ब्रांचेस द फादर टॉट द बॉईज जॉमेट्री अँड हाऊ टू यूज ट्रायंगल्स टू मेजर बिग ऑब्जेक्ट्स. while doing all these things, father means William, when determining the height of the lowest branches, when they turn towards the lowest branches of the tree, the father taught the boys geometry as well as how to use triangles for measuring various objects, for measuring especially big objects. जे मोठ्या मोठ्या ऑब्जेक्ट्सना मेजरमेंट करण्यासाठी जॉमेट्रीचा कसा वापर करायचा किंवा ट्रायंगल्सचा कसा वापर करायचा हे सुद्धा त्या विल्यमनी आपल्या मुलांना शिकवायला सुरुवात केली. हाऊ टू यूज जॉमेट्री ॲज वेल ॲज हाऊ टू यूज ट्रायंगल्स फॉर मेजरिंग बिग ऑब्जेक्ट्स. नाव ही ऑल्सो मेजर्ड अ डिफाईन्ड डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द ट्रंक. देन ही कॅल्क्युलेटेड अँगल्स using several measured rods, determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet off the ground. Now he started to take measurements for the project for making the house which is up in the large tree. He measured a defined distance whatever the distance was defined, he measured it from the trunk. He started the measurement from the trunk. After that, he calculated angles using several measure rods. With the help of various measured rods, he also calculated various angles सुद्धा कॅल्क्युलेट केले त्या रॉडचा आधार घेऊन. After that, determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet of the ground. What they determined? They determined that the lowest branch, which was 30 feet of the ground, म्हणजे जमिनीपासून जवळपास 30 फुटाच्या अंतरावरती ती सगळ्यात लोवेस्ट ब्रांच आहे असं कन्सिडर करून त्यांनी तो मेजरमेंट घ्यायला सुरुवात केली. आणि they have started to make a perfect tree for the project. After that, the men knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Now the men means who here? All these persons, all the family, along with Elizabeth, William, Elizabeth and their children. All these men, they knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached piece of bamboo in each knot. Now, त्यानंतर त्या सगळ्या लोकांनी काय केलं की एक दोरखंड घेतला, एक रोप घेतली, एक दोरी घेतली, नॉट ॲट अ सर्टन इंटरवल्स, काही ठिकाणी त्यांनी ते नॉट तयार केलं, गाठी बांधल्या, अँड अटॅच अ पीस ऑफ बांबू इन ईच नॉट, आणि प्रत्येक नॉटात त्यांनी काय केलं की एक बांबूचा पीस जो आहे तो अटॅच केला. Thus, they created their ladder. For creating ladder, for the making the ladder, what they have actually done, they knotted a rope at certain intervals, as well as they attached a piece of bamboo in each knot, and henceforth they created the ladder. आणि अशा प्रकारे त्यांनी काय केलं की ती शिडी तयार केली, लॅडर तयार केली. Father returned to the beach and collected driftwood, thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge on runners rather than wheels. After that, what happened? Father turned towards the beach. Father William, he turned towards the beach and he collected various driftwood. त्याने ते driftwood जे होते, तरंगणारे जे काही लाकडं होते ते कलेक्ट केले. and he thought that it would be perfect to build a sledge. स्लेज तयार करण्यासाठी ही जे ड्रिफ्टवूड्स आहेत ते अगदी परफेक्ट आहेत, परिपूर्ण आहेत. ही थॉट दॅट अँड ही हॅड कलेक्टेड ऑल दी ड्रिफ्टवूड ऑन द बीच on runners rather than wheels. Later they use it to transport materials, and after that when he collected driftwood, they used it to transport materials, because with the help of driftwood he had built a sledge, and with the help of sledge what they had done, it was used for transporting purpose, transporting materials. Various materials they have been transported with the help of sledge. स्लेजचा वापर करून त्यांनी काय केलं की अनेक जे मटेरियल्स आहे, जे लागणारं जे साहित्य आहे ते ट्रान्सपोर्ट करण्याचा त्यांनी प्रयत्न केला. अँड इट वॉज बिल्ट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ड्रिफ्टवूड. नाव मीन वाईल व्हॉट हॅपन, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Various months was there. They were on the island, on the beach. They spent there. Meanwhile, what happened? Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending, it was producing healthy plants. Here, the word tending means what? Caring. The garden she had been brought, she had been caring, it was producing healthy plants. Now she thought that she has very much healthy plants in their garden. Corn, melons, pumpkins and cucumbers were already growing in his or in their garden. Various plants were growing, and they were such as corn, melons, pumpkins and cucumbers. They were already growing there. Now the next day, only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods. Woods here jungle, forest. Now the next day what happened? Only father along with Frisch, they both travel towards the jungle, travel towards the forest. Exploring means searching here. The word exploring here means what? Searching. Searching and finding such exotic plants as one with waxy fruit. What they actually want, the plant with waxy fruit. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना मेन माहीत असेल तर मेन जे आहे ते आपल्याला या वॅक्सीपासून मिळते. वॅक्सी म्हणजेच मेन इथं वॅक्सी फ्रूट त्यांनी शोधायचा प्रयत्न केला. अँड फादर हिअर अलॉंग विथ फ्रिश they both travel towards the jungle and they search, they find such type of plants with waxy fruit from which candles could be made. With the help of waxy fruit they can make candles. Candles could be made with the help of waxy fruit, and they search, they explore such type of waxy fruit. Frisch discovered a tree exuding a rubbery sap from which his father claimed that they could make boots. At the same time, Frisch, he had searched, he discovered one of the tree which exuding a rubbery sap, की ज्याला rubbery sap होती, from which his father claimed that they could make boots. But father at the same time he described that, he explained that with the help of such tree we can make boots. With the help of rubbery sap, with the help of this tree, with the help of this rubbery sap, we can make various boots. Now, before we going to turn towards the next part, we are going to turn towards the various difficult words, whatever we have find here. Now, here the word kegs, at first we have found kegs means what? Barrels. Now another word here that is given, runners, stripes on which something slides. Runners means what here? Not actually runners, they were different one. Runners here, stripes on which something slides, that is called runners here. Next part here, exuding, one word that is given here, exuding, giving out or emitting, that is given here. Okay, up to here we have seen. Now we have seen up to here could make boots with the help of rubbery sap. We learned that they could make boots, as well as what they actually want to explore, want to find waxy fruit for making candles. Now along with this video lecture I am going to give you exercise. You have to solve it and you must have to send me its feedback. Thank you.